Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about how to find and add quality score in your Google Ads reports. So first of all, you have to log in your Google Ads account and then click on audience, keyword and content section. Inside this you can click on keywords and here you will find a column. Click here and then click on modify columns and here you can search quality score and click here. You will find it inside the quality score section. So both method you can, one of the method you can use, you can search directly or you can find it here and check this box and then apply. If you want to save, you can save with your name, your reports. We are doing this in a simple way. So here you can little bit scroll and you can see the quality score. Similarly, you can do this inside and search terms. Here you can also do this same procedure. You have to click on columns and you can add quality score. So quality score is very helpful. If quality score is good, then you will spend less. So that's why it's a cost optimization technique. If you improve your quality score, you will optimize your costing and more revenue you will get. Thank you so much for watching this video, and still you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much.